Hello, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving straight into the practical steps on how to manage team notifications in Asana, your productivity partner for 2025. Let's get started by logging into your Asana account. Now that we've done that, navigate to your team's project page. On this page, you'll see a bell icon representing notifications. The reason we do this is to ensure you're on the correct page to manage notifications for your team. Next up, click on the bell icon. A drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, you'll see options to customize your notification preferences. You can choose to receive notifications for all new tasks, only for tasks assigned to you, or you can mute notifications altogether. This helps us because it allows you to declutter your inbox and avoid notification overload. Now let's move on to the Customize option. Here, you can specify the types of updates you want to be notified about. For instance, you might want to receive a notification every time a task is completed or when a new comment is added to a task. This is important because it lets you stay focused on updates that are most relevant to you. Finally, don't forget to save your changes by clicking on the Save Settings button. This step is crucial as it ensures your preferences are applied and you start receiving notifications based on your specified settings. Let me explain why this matters. Managing your notifications in Asana not only keeps you up to date with your team's progress, but also helps you stay focused on your tasks without being distracted by irrelevant updates. It's all about finding a balance between being informed and being overwhelmed. And there you have it. That's how you can manage your team notifications in Asana. Remember, the key is in tailoring the notifications to your specific needs to maximize your team's productivity while keeping your inbox manageable. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video where we'll tackle more ways to boost your productivity with Asana.